My name is Ashley and I'm the Public Programs Manager at the Miami Children's Museum. And this month, for the month of November, we are celebrating Native American Heritage Month. And I'm really excited because today I am in the kitchen and I'm going to be showing you how to make a traditional Navajo recipe called blue corn mush. Okay, so for our blue corn mush recipe, you're going to need a half a cup of roasted blue cornmeal, 1 teaspoon of juniper ash, 2 cups of cold water, some sugar if you'd like to sweeten it up. I'm going to be using brown sugar. You'll also need a mixing bowl and a stovetop and a pot to cook your blue corn mush in. And you'll also want something to stir your ingredients together. Now, traditionally, a stirring stick is used, and stirring sticks are very common in Navajo households. They are used for cooking and also used for ceremonies. So if you have a stirring stick, you can go ahead and use that for your blue corn mush. And if not, you can use a whisk like I will be using, or you can use a fork. Okay, so first we're gonna take our half a cup of blue corn meal and add it to your mixing bowl with your 1 teaspoon of juniper ash. And we are going to mix those together until they are evenly distributed. Mixed well. And now in your mixing pot that you're going to have on your stovetop, you're going to add your 2 cups of water. And then you're going to add your flour and juniper mix, and you're just going to stir it together. Until you have no lumps and it's nice and smooth. Okay, now that it's all mixed in our water, we're going to turn our stove on to medium-high heat, and we are going to stir constantly. We don't want it to get stuck on the bottom here, and we don't want it to burn, so we're just gonna keep stirring until it's nice and thick. So now that my blue corn mush is nice and thick, I'm going to add my sugar, just to give it a little bit of sweetness here. And I'm going to mix that in. Go ahead and add this to our bowl. And it's Emmy approved. Thank you so much for joining me to celebrate Native American Heritage Month and to try this traditional Navajo recipe. And be sure to check out our website and our social media accounts for more videos and activities to celebrate throughout the month. Thank you. Bye.